right. Okay. Which one of you is getting worked? All right, you're coming with me. Let's go get you redden. Let's go. Come on, pony. Go to the barn. Ren, I will be back. I'm going to go work horses. All right, come on. Come in the grass tie. I get that. Oop. All right. Let's get you saddled. Oop. Let's put some armor on you too, because why not? Alrighty. Let's get a quick ride in. Alrighty. Let's head this way. Kind of the area I'm using for riding right now. Chicken egg. Oop. Yeah, well, not spooky at animals, so there's that. It's a good pony. I definitely need to get my arena built. The joys of settling into new places. Having to build everything from scratch. Let's make this a little jump real quick. See what your aptitude for jumping is. Come back here. Apparently need to work on your ability to stand. So, not one with a particular knack for jumping, seems like. Alright. Definitely something to work on. We'll set up a jump arena here soon enough. Let's take another jump and we'll go for a little trail ride and just see what's out there. Alright. I'd say let's go for a little trail ride. I think that sums up the quick little ride. Just got what I wanted done. Is that movement I saw? Thought I saw something. Alright, Pony, you stay here. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, are you okay? I'm not gonna hurt you. What's your name?
No, 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 no.
Uh, it's okay. Talk to me. What's wrong?
Mm,
It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you.
it's,
My name's Ben. I'm a crow hybrid. I recently moved in around here. Oh shoot.
I'm, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be here. Um,
You're okay.
no, how,
Hey, are you? What happened?
I, 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 I'm
Uh,
scared. I shouldn't. I no. I can gladly get out of your hair.
no,
I'll.
no. There's no need to run. Are you a hybrid? You you look like one, but I don't see.
Uh, uh, oh dear God.
It's okay.
I mean, I was.
What do you mean by was? What happened?
Oh dear. Oh no no oh no 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 no. They took it.
What what did they take?
My wings. The
They,
one thing that makes me me.
I, I'm so sorry, kiddo.
Oi, Kyle.
Th-
I I I should really get going. I
No, you stay
should
right
not.
here.
Where the hell did you go?
Uh,
Who are you?
for,
Well, who are you? Where'd my kid go?
Your kid.
Where'd Kyle go?
It's none of your business.
There you are.
They're under my protection now.
Come on, time to go home.
No.
no, no, I'm
Back.
not going back with you. I,
No. I don't think you have a choice in the matter, Kyle.
uh,
Yes, they do.
You can
And
run,
they
but
don't
you
want to
sure
go
can't
back with you.
fly. Hey! Who do you think you are, huh?
Your worst nightmare.
No, I'm not. Do you know what they are? Huh?
All I know is that you've hurt them.
What, like I'm gonna do you do? Huh? What? Get your ass back here.
You leave them alone.
Kyle, we can make this so much more simple. We don't have to get them involved, do we?
I
They don't
don't.
deserve this, right?
What do you mean? They don't deserve a normal life?
I mean, you don't deserve to be killed right in front of their eyes.
I, mm,
Get ready to die, old man.
Old?
I mean, look at you.
Old man?
Am I wrong?
No. But that doesn't mean I'm not capable still. You
I,
don't know who I am.
And you don't know who
The random spider.
Well, this random spider is taking back Kyle. Thank you. I'll kill you, as he says, to kill that fucking skeleton.
It's not like you have the advantage here.
Oh, but I do. You keep on having to put yourself out.
What exactly gives you the advantage?
Sword. Recycler. It's better than you have, seemingly.
Well, I'm still getting settled.
Yeah, from where? The nursing home?
Wish I was from a nursing home.
Okay. These bitches.
So,
Alright.
oh my gosh.
Holy shit. Hello there. You were not part of this fight, now were you? Technically, you weren't either, old man. Who said you can come in, huh? Come and take my kid? Eh? Fucking this was not supposed to be an army against one. Eh? What the hell? Okay, this was supposed to be retrieval. Holy shit. You know what? You know what? You know what? Fine. 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 Okay. 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 Holy shit.
It's never ending.
No, it's not. I'm going. I was not planning on dying today. Thank you. It's not the plan.
Give it up. You're not going to win this fight. So unless you have something that can convince me not to fight you.
Well, you noticed Kyle's little predicament, right?
Yes.
Look what I have.
You
You can't get these
you
back.
you drop those now.
You can't get these back if you kill me.
Says who?
Okay, 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 fine.
Drop them.
Ah. Give me 2 seconds. Okay.
You will never be able to hide if you do not drop them.
Okay, 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 okay. Let me drop them, please. Fucking PvP combat. Let me. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm done. Okay.
Leave and never come back.
Kyle, this isn't over.
It is over. Hey, it's okay now. He's gone.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you involved. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Fighting is nothing new to me.
This shouldn't have happened. I should not have come here. I'm
What
very sorry.
what he did to you wasn't okay. I I did get your wing. You try to use them as a bargaining chip, but that obviously didn't work out for him. Why don't we get you to my house? I live in that giant tree right up the hill. And we could get you some rest and get you safe. Come here.
Oh, okay.
Here, hop on the horse. Where did we? All right, follow me. For the love of everything. All right, we're gonna go this way. Here, there's like, where's the zombie? There's so many mobs right now. I apologize. I'm up this way. Get the horse back to the barn, and then we'll get you into the tree. Watch out. All right. Come in here. Let me get
Dad.
this hymn put up real quick.
Dad.
Ren, can you go get some food?
Oh, yeah, I got some. Where'd you go? You were gone all night.
Um,
Uh,
I,
Everything okay?
yeah, there was a kid who needed some help, and a fight
The
kind
kid
of
is
broke
hiding.
out.
The kid is hiding.
They
Ah!
are hiding. Why are you have so much armor, skeleton?
Dad.
That broke the flower.
No, not the flower. Father.
Not my fault.
Dad.
There
Here.
we go. Hey,
Hi.
kiddo. Why don't you come out?
Mm,
Are they part of the family now?
Can can you tell us your name, kiddo?
Dad, do I have another sibling? Is that what this is?
Possibly. What's your name, kiddo?
m- m- my name's Corvina.
It's good to meet you, Corvina. As
Hi,
I mentioned
Corvina.
earlier, I'm Ven, and that's Ren.
Oh, here, have food.
Thank you, Ren.
I made it myself. It's lovely, I think. I don't know, I'm not the best baker, but I'm trying.
Good enough to get by.
But yeah, welcome to the family. There are now 4 kids, I think. Right, Dad? You said there
Sounds
was
about
one more
right.
before? There's me,
Yep.
Aaron, I think one other, and then now you.
There's Via, and then now. Why don't
There's
you come up to the tree and see the house?
Oh, the
It's
tree's lovely. Come on, let's go.
still kind of under construction.
Wow, we go. It's awesome.
Did you eat like a gallon of sugar while I was gone or something?
No, I just slept, unlike you guys, apparently.
um
Come on, come this way. Let me just get this horse up real quick.
Actually, Dad, I did make cake. I did learn how to make cake with my neighbor. It was great.
Don't tell me you burned the house down.
I didn't, but it was
Good
really hard to
job.
get all the. They had to go ahead and get the milk because the milk was being difficult. I also went to the Nether. It was awesome.
Oh no, that sounds like chaos happened.
Sort of.
So yeah, so these are the temporary pens for the horses. That's kind of our stable over there for right now. Um, inside of the tree, which is
Tree.
under construction still,
It's awesome. It's lovely.
Yeah, it's a little empty right now, but
There's
eventually,
clouds in the tree. It's so big.
yep, eventually we'll get you a little house built.
I'm still trying to work on mine.
Yeah,
I'm doing great.
construction can take a while.
It can. I'm making my own treehouse, and it's still not done even after 2 years. But that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Anyway, welcome.
Yeah, so you can stay in the everybody's sort of just staying in the main tree with me right now while we get houses built.
Yeah.
I guess I need to make another bed. Oh, there's a flower. Thank you. Let me go
Thank
get
you.
another bed real quick.
Hell yeah.
Where is my
The
wool?
torches are so badly dispersed, Dad.
It's been a
Dad.
hectic. You try adopting 4 kids in a short period of time.
I don't wanna.
Yeah, then you can't comment on my torches.
I'm commenting on your torches. They're bad.
I wasn't the only one who put them up.
No.
I let the kids help a little bit.
Not me. Or else this would have been better.
Well, it's how it is for now, so
How it is bad.
I know. There is trying to get the horses and the kids settled in takes up a good bit of time. Plus, I'll probably be switching to lanterns.
Yippee.
Alright, here's another bed. We also got, you're welcome to any supplies that are in those chests out there. There's
The
not
chests
much
in here
in
don't
the
have
house
shit.
yet, moved in. Still a work in progress. But you'll eventually have your own little house right outside the tree.
It's gonna be great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And yeah, so it's a farm off that way
Oh yeah,
that
you
we
want me to
can.
show you? I can show you. It's awesome. It's so cool. They're so big. It's so big.
Okay.
Come on, come on. Let's go.
All right,
Bye, Dad.
I bye kids. Don't cause too much chaos.
You never know.
All right, I will see you kids later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Um.
We go down because it's out of the tree area. Ooh. I'm pretty sure it's this way, but I can remember. I've been told I'm not great at navigating, so I may be off.
That's different. I don't. Hmm.
It's neat. We live in a big old tree. Haha, there it is, I think. Yep, there we go. Haha. I'm not that bad at navigating. Hell yeah.
I mean, you were a bit off, but
Not that much. It's fine.
a couple feet off.
It's fine. Anyway, hi, I'm Bryn. I am a crow
Oh.
hybrid, and I am 18 years old. I think.
Nice to meet you.
You okay?
Bit shaken up.
That's alright. We all were a little bit shaken up when Dad found us. I think. I don't actually know if I've met the other two. I don't remember. Anyway. We have cows, we have sheep, we have pigs, we have chickens. We have wheat, we have potatoes, we have carrots. It's awesome. We also have a big old jungle over there, apparently. I just noticed it. So.
That's terrifying.
We can climb up trees because of the really long vines. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I've been saying awesome a lot. That's fine. Also, I have no idea where the skeleton horse came from, but it's here.
This is defying logic.
What is?
This right here is defying logic.
Ah, well, that's fine. Dad will probably move it to the barn anyway.
Okay.
Why is there water? Very confused.
I don't. Um,
I don't know. I don't know anything. That's fine.
oh.
Woo! Oh, we have more potatoes and wheat up here. Oh, is there a
Why-
farm? Like an actual farm. Maybe?
Why is there a lever?
Whose redstone skills? Who made the redstone?
It's mysterious.
I can't flip the lever.
Neither can I.
That's fine. Woo! We keep going. Yeah, the tree is real tall. A lot taller than my tree. But that's alright.
You have a tree?
Yeah, I have a tree house to go ahead and help my family go ahead and find me.
Ooh.
Yeah. I've been building for like 2 years and it still isn't as tall as Dad's. But that's fine.
Well, is this one not natural? Are they not natural?
I mean, mine isn't. I don't know if Dad's is. I think Dad's is. I think Dad's is regrowing itself. Mine isn't natural though.
That would explain stuff.
Yeah. Dad's is regrowing itself from, I think he said, a lightning strike?
Oh dear, that's terrible.
Yeah.
Um,
I just started building mine. Mine is built out of spruce wood, cherry wood, and stone.
I don't have a place.
Well, this will be your place.
Yeah. I guess.
I think this place is real great.
Oh.
I haven't stayed here as much as I stayed in my other place. But hey, that's fine. I didn't actually notice the whole barn that Dad built.
It's very, very, very pretty.
It is. It's a really pretty build. Dad didn't close the things. Oh, there's hay up here.
Oh.
And I can go through the windows.
I don't think
Hell
that's
yeah.
a good idea. I doubt that's a good idea.
It's an amazing idea. Hi.
I don't think it is.
You can walk up here.
Yeah, but you might fall off.
Well, I have wings. I can catch myself. Ooh.
True.
And my wings are under my clothes, but that's fine.
But
They can pop out if they need to, I think. I don't know, I haven't tried in a hot second.
be careful.
You be careful, there's a creature next to you. Hi, hello. What? Got it. That was terrifying.
Meh. A stick.
You should get actual stuff. Oh, since when did I put armor on? Hello?
I don't know. You've just kind of been wearing armor the entire time. Yeah.
I didn't even remember I had that armor. That's fine. I'm a very smart guy, can't you tell? Woo. But yeah, welcome to the family. I think we're called the Murder Flock.
Interesting name.
Yeah, it's cause most of us, if not all of us, and actually I don't think, I don't know if Via is a crow or not, but I think most of us are crows. So,
Crows?
yeah, and a group of crows is called a murder. So we're at the murder flock. It's great. Like, I'm a crow. That's why I have the black earrings.
I mean, I was a crow.
You seem like a crow to me. Are you not a crow anymore? I don't think one can just change that.
Well, in genetic wise, no.
What do you mean? Those are your wings.
Uh huh.
Well, that's okay. You're still a crow, even without the wings. Hell, maybe Dad can fix them. That's good at fixing stuff.
It's beyond repair.
Well, then we'll get you fake ones. Did they also take your earwings? Or did you not have those?
I mean, there used to be a lot more feathers, but they're no longer layered. There's like 2.
Well, that's okay. Maybe they'll grow back.
I think they will.
Then we'll make you fake ones. I hear there's this thing in another realm called an elytra, I think. Which is just a fake pair of wings. But, like, we can get you that. And we can make it look all pretty like normal crow wings if you want. Or we can make them like funky colors.
I would like to do funky colors.
Yeah. I sometimes dye my feathers cuz funky colors. But yeah. So yay, funky colors. That's just standing there.
I want to bonk him, but that would hurt him, and I don't want to hurt him.
Oh.
I guess he was really needed.
What just happened? I guess God took him. All right.
Oh dear! Oh,
I don't think gods are a thing, actually. That's
I
fine.
don't think so either.
I don't know.
Anything that claims to be a god is just some self-righteous person.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out, maybe. I don't know. I've never seen a god, but hey. Maybe I have. Maybe I just didn't notice. That would make sense.
True.
Knowing me, I don't think I would know if I met a god.
Yeah. Oh.
That's fine. But why? You're just a lone flower over here. Ooh, we should see if we can grab bone meal.
What?
Bones. We can go ahead and like decorate the place up with flowers and stuff. So when Dad comes back, he'll just come back to a shit ton of flowers. Oh, there's also an iron helmet in here. You should probably take it. Where are the bones? Bones.
I'm too.
Yay! Alright, and then we can just crush them up into bone meal, and we can get a shit ton, and we can go ahead and, like, spread it all over. Yeah! Dad will come back to a thriving area.
As thriving as we can get it.
It'll be thriving enough.
I mean, I don't think there's really much flowers it gave us, but...
That's okay, it's a shit ton of grass. Grass.
I mean, it's perfect for the animals. I got seeds. I got 2 seeds.
Oh. You can probably give
Um,
it to the chickens.
okay.
They'll take it. They'll love it.
I think they love it a little too much.
Oh?
Um, I'm scared.
What does that mean?
I think they like it a little too much.
Ah. That's fine.
Yeah.
There'll just be more chickens.
Oh. Why are the poor birds encaged though?
I don't know.
Where did I've lost track. Where did you go? Um,
Uh, just follow wherever there's a shit ton of
really?
grass growing, I guess.
Oh, dogs.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Alright, this whole area has grass. This whole section. Oh. This section still hasn't fully grown. It's actually really sad.
That's pressing.
Yeah. That's okay, it still has time.
Meh.
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 Oh, there's also a giant section over here that's not fully grown.
Maybe there was a pit? I don't know. I don't know why Dad would make a pit.
I don't know either.
I mean, Dad's a builder. Dad has his reasons.
Yeah, I guess. Why do you call him Dad?
I don't know, actually.
Okay.
I mean, I
That's,
don't really have a dad, so I guess he's the next best thing.
that's very sad.
Sorry. I have a
What?
mom.
I, well, yeah, I'm bonking the chicken.
But yeah, oh, what just, oh, oh no. I don't know if you've heard of it, but the Nyx flock, the leader of the Nyx flock, that's my mom.
I've never heard of that. Oh dear, my health.
Where'd you go? There you are. Take this.
Why is it purpley?
Uh, special? Magical, I think? But yeah, the Nyx flock. Nyx meaning knights. It's a bunch of crows, specifically just crows. They don't allow any other birds like Dad does. Uh, but like,
What?
um, they, uh, the leader of that flock, that's my mother. So, yeah.
I've never been a part of a flock.
Yeah. I haven't seen my flock in a bit. I don't really know where they went. But they're coming back. Eventually. You know. I need to find more bones.
Wait, I think we're fresh out of bones.
No! I'm not done with the grass. You know, I'm just gonna
I mean, we can
no
always
more long grass. Long grass is bad.
we can always do it next week.
Yeah. We can just meet up every so often and make grass.
Yeah, I'll probably find some flowers.
Oh wait, I have cornflowers.
I realized you kind of threw one at me in the
Oh,
in
I
the
did.
tree.
it
Yeah. Um,
was a welcome to the family gift.
thank you.
Uh, but I'm getting rid of all the long grass. I don't like long grass. It makes it hard to see over.
Yeah, that is true. I'm going back to my little corner in the tree.
Okay.
I don't trust the other two people here.
I haven't even met them, so
I yeah,
I wonder if we can do
you
like a family mining trip or something.
um
That'd be fun.
probably for you guys. Yeah, I'll probably just stay behind.
It's alright. I heard one of the other siblings is a fighter. I heard they fought in a whole war, actually.
I did hear that there was a war once, not too long ago.
There
Um,
was?
apparently,
I just thought the siblings were really old. um,
I don't think they'd be really old. Um,
I don't know. I don't know how old Dad is.
to be fair, he looks a lot older.
Yeah. Oh, so you could just have like an adult child. I mean, technically, I'm an adult. I'm 18.
That is true. I am not an adult yet.
Yeah. How old are you?
Uh, uh,
Do you know?
I I haven't celebrated many of my birthdays, so
That's alright.
I uh maybe 15 or 16.
You seem about 16, maybe?
Yeah, probably.
I mean, you don't seem that much younger than I am. Oh, I keep on running too much. Dang it. Need to eat more bread.
To be fair, the bread was really good.
Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so glad. I might have accidentally used some sugar that I used in the cake. I don't know. Uh,
This really gives the bread more flavor.
yeah. It's like the challah that my mom used to make me. That's like a it's challah challah. It's like a honey kind of bread.
Huh, never
Yeah.
tried it.
She used to make the whole flock challah on Saturdays. Yeah, so sometimes I make some of my own. I don't do really well. I forgot the entire ingredients list, except that it's bread with honey. So
I mean, we could always just bake bread and then grab honey and see if that works.
yeah, probably.
And now the only issue is getting the honey.
Oh, I have bees in my area.
Oh,
Yeah, they're pretty tame. They're gentle. They let me take their honey. I wonder if Dad has a composter because I have over a stack of seeds. We might be able to make more grass.
I have 7 seeds.
Fair enough.
I don't like seeds.
I
To be fair, if it's sunflower seeds, then I'll eat them.
exactly. Sunflower seeds is lovely, but
Oh, yeah,
I'm just gonna
sunflower.
I'm just gonna hop into here, try to grab all the chickens. Any of you want some of this?
Uh, wait, isn't there some chickens down at the farm?
I think so.
If you still have seeds afterwards, we could go make a run.
Oh, absolutely. I have so many seeds. I have all the seeds.
Oh,
That did not turn into anything. Anyway, to the farm.
Oh, okay.
Woo.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah. I hurt my leg. That's okay though. I've been
Oh.
in worse situations.
I mean, your wings are in fact off of your body and in your hand.
Yeah.
Sorry, too soon? Sometimes
No,
I can't tell if
it's
things are too soon or not.
it's fine. It's fine. Just still grasping the reality of not having my wings.
That's alright. That's valid.
Happened. It happened really recently. There's
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
yeah.
Haha, fences. I got a little stuck.
So that's not good.
It's fine. There were fences. I'm good. Steal some of Dad's wheat.
I'm still very much so hungry.
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
It's your food, though.
Come here.
Thank you. This is more than enough.
He does have a composter. Huzzah!
That's the very interesting contraption.
Yeah, so what it does is it'll take the seeds or whatever you put in the very top, it'll put it through this hopper, I think it's called. It'll put it into the composter, put it in the other hopper, and the other hopper will put it right back into here. Into the chest. Speaking of the chest, they have a bunch of bone meal. I'm gonna use all of this to put more around Dad's area, because Dad's area is fucking boring. Let's go.
Wow. I could never go and talk like that.
He has so much place for grass, and he doesn't have any grass.
That is true. It's very depressing.
I understand not wanting the long grass, but not wanting grass as a whole? Dad.
I can't. I don't really have much of an opinion on that zombie.
Yep, I'm running. You keep running.
I'm trying.
Oh, there's a spider. I have an axe. I go.
So
Huzzah!
I'm going in the tree. I'm scared to be outside at night.
Have fun.
Will.
I am gonna keep on planting more grass.
Okay.
It's gonna have a very lush area by the time he goes back. Don't kill me, don't you dare.
You should probably either go to bed or hide out till morning.
I'm good. I'm alive. I'm just gonna put on the armor that I apparently have. I don't remember where I got this armor, but I have armor.
Yeah.
Woo! Grass. Very, very minimal flowers. This is kind of sad.
It is.
I have a bunch of flowers by my place. I'm not used to there being no flowers whatsoever.
Flowers are very, very pretty.
They are. I love flowers.
Yeah. I don't have a favorite. I haven't seen a lot in my lifetime.
You should go over to my place at some point. I can show you like all the flowers because I think I have every kind of flower that I know of.
Okay.
People keep on giving me flowers in my mailbox because I have like a shit ton of neighbors, and they all give me flowers, and I was like, they look at me and think I'm a flower boy. I'm very confused, but hey.
How much is that much neighbors though?
Let's see. I have one that I actually know. I live next to a castle, so that's lovely.
Oh,
Also a bunch of mushroom people, I think.
oh,
Yeah, they have like a whole area. Oh, creeper. No!
we'll just cut that out.
We'll ignore it. Anyway. But yeah, I also have, okay, so I have those two sets of neighbors, and then I have people in a hole in the mountain, hobbits.
Oh,
I also have I have a person who lives in a tent.
oh, that's
Uh, I have people who live in a campsite.
Oh.
And I think quite a few more others that I just don't know. It's always growing. People seem to really like my area.
well. I mean, to be fair, if you were to see an area with a bunch of flowers, I mean, I bet anyone would like it. So.
You know, fair enough. My area is very peaceful. I live on top of a little hill. It's great. It's lovely. I go on the hill and I sit and I wait. That's, yep. That's been my life for the past 2 years. Until Dad came along, at least.
Yeah.
Now I can sometimes go to this hill and wait. So, you know. Change the scenery? Huh. Anyway, I still have 2 stacks of bone meal. I'm gonna finish this. Haha, there's more! There's flowers! There's flowers!
Yeah.
Flowers popping up. There's a few dandelions and a few poppies, I think they're called.
Oh.
Ah, there's more! Huzzah! Oh, and there's bees! There's bees over here.
Bees?
Bees! Those are the guys that give you the honey.
Yeah. That sounds about right. I don't want to accidentally hit it.
Yeah, no, it will fight back.
I've heard many stories about them from someone.
Yeah, they're fine. They're alright as long as you don't. If you don't hit them, they won't hit you. Is basically their rule.
That's an understandable rule.
Yeah. Also, if you don't hit their hive, they won't hit you. That's the bigger thing. If you hit one bee, I think it's just that one bee that'll come after you. But if you hit all the bees, then if you hit the hive, then the whole beehive will come after you. I've had to deal with that a few times. I survived, obviously, but
You're standing, so I hope so. I hope I'm not just seeing a random ghost walking around.
there have been a few. I think I might have met a few, maybe. I don't remember. I don't know. I'm sure there's a few ghosts in this world, but I don't know. I think I saw a ghost walking around the castle area that I talked about earlier.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know if it's like haunting the person who lives in there or if it just lived there too. I'm not sure, but
It, um, Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know anything about ghosts.
I mean, I did read a book once, slightly talking about ghosts, but it was also a fictional one. So, oh.
Egg.
um, you know, I did read up on them a little bit before, but it was mostly just a fictional one where it was about this ghost that was like haunting this dude that did a lot of bad things to them.
Huh. I don't know if that's how actual ghosts work.
I don't know, but I like to think that if they are angry at you, they will stay with you forever.
Well,
Or at least until they're satisfied with your downfall.
maybe it'd be a good thing to go ahead and make a ghost mad at you then. It'd be nice to have someone that said, huh?
Yeah.
Anyway, haha. Look at this grass. It's so pretty.
It looks very why what
Were you just about to call it edible?
maybe I haven't ate really much in the past couple days, so
I just gave you some bread. Eat the bread. Don't eat the grass.
sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm just concerned.
I'm not very concerned about that, but I'm kind of concerned about the land over here.
What land?
Over here. No, not that way. Other way. Over here.
Ah. Okay.
But
Damn it!
I
I don't have as many seeds.
seeds?
I don't have this many seeds to make that much bone meal. I don't have that much bone meal. This is,
Patchy grass?
no.
I mean, technically speaking, the grass is technically patchy still because of it being depressed.
I'm going back to the farm.
Okay, I'm probably just gonna call it a day.
Okay.
Very
It is
exhausting.
day.
But I mean, like, I'm going to go for a nice rest. You have fun.
Alright, if you ever want to hang out, just let me know, okay?
Eh.
We need to have a sibling meeting. We need to hang out.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
I'm not falling. That's not a thing I'm gonna do today. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Da 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 da.